Hello everyone, this is Adasha Das from Odisha News. XIM University Bhubaneswar organized its 8th convocation with great elan and grandeur. As many as 421 undergraduate students were conferred with degrees in their respective disciplines. The undergraduate convocation ceremony stands as a pinnacle moment in the academic journey of every student in the university. It is a celebration of years of hard work, dedication, and achievement. XIM University Bhubaneswar has emerged as a leading institution dedicated to fostering academic excellence, ethical leadership, and social responsibility. And this convocation represents another triumph in the journey of shaping yet another cohort of young minds. Top of form, this year, the university was honored to host Sonam Wangchuk, the visionary Indian figure renowned for his innovative solutions and dedication to social change, as the chief guest and convocation speaker. Trained as a mechanical engineer, Wangchuk has dedicated the past 3 decades to pioneering education reform. He stands as an Indian engineer, entrepreneur, and advocate for transformative change in education. He is the founder of Himalayan Institute of Alternatives, Ladakh, HIAL, which aims to encourage learning via practical application of knowledge. In his address, he emphasized that one needs to be a problem solver. The world is full of problems, and if you are able to solve them, you are a true leader. The 3 pillars of a successful and purposeful life is curiosity, empathy, and spirit of initiative. He ended the speech on a very motivating note. Take initiative, gain experience. This leads to more confidence and ultimately leads to success. Geetanjali JB, who is the co-founder, CEO and Dean of HIAL, was also present for the event. She is an alumna of Xavier Institute of Management Bhubaneswar, batch of 1996. Among the eminent dignitaries present were Father Anthony R. Ovary, SJ, Vice Chancellor, XIM University; Father S. Anthony Raj, SJ, Registrar; Father V. Erokia Das, SJ, Chief Finance Officer, XIM University; Professor Andrew Datta, Acting Controller of Examination, Deans of different schools, and officials of XIM University. A few distinguished board members also honored the occasion with their presence. Professor Sutapa Pati, Dean, School of Sustainability, welcomed all the students, parents, dignitaries, and guests. Father Anthony R. Ovary, SJ, Vice Chancellor of XIM University, extended gratitude to Sonam Wangchuk for gracing the event and addressing the university stakeholders. The chief guest presented medals for academic excellence to the top rank holders from various schools. The event ended on a successful note with the vote of thanks delivered by Father S. Anthony Raj, SJ, the Registrar.
Successful, and then she gave up all that, came to Ladakh and started working on innovative initiatives in education, and now an alternative university called Himalayan Institute of Alternatives, Ladakh. She became my partner in work and life. People say she's my better half, but I think she's far better half. And she happens to be here, Geetanjali. Can I present you to your institute? Yes. She's the reason. Learning happens because the hardware, the human baby, comes preloaded with this curiosity software. They are programmed. You can't stop them from learning. School or no school, teacher or no teacher, textbook or no textbook, they learn. In fact, most of the time, we become hindrances to that learning. We think we are great parents, we'll make them learn. We think we are great teachers, we'll make them learn, and we kill their curiosity, delete that software. And then many parents keep wondering, why does my child not take interest in studies? And you just deleted the software. So when we discipline our children not to ask questions, not to dare to think like this or that, or classes that are kept silent all the time, pin drop silent, that too. We are actually actively deleting that software. Otherwise, children are wired to learn. And that's why I was so lucky to be left in this tiny village with few farmers, lots of sheep, goats, and cattle that I would chase after and learn a lot. Climb apricot trees, jump into the Indus River and learn a lot. Go on the farm and learn from the farmers.
Devendra Rana, Gargi Priyadarshini Mohanty. Sean Raju, Shilpi Rekha Dash. Khushi Subudhi, Varun Kathuria. Congratulations to all students. Now I request Professor Narayan Chandra Sarangi, Dean, Xavier Law School, to take the proceedings forward.